Hi, today I want to talk about a project. The project is a Christmas tree lights. Okay, so this will be a few sessions about it, and I will talk how I am starting such a project. Okay, so basically what I did is I took a paper and a pen and wrote what I want this project to look like. So first of all, of course, I want it to be as simple as possible, not very much, not a lot of code, but a simple code that is readable and easy to use. Second, I want it to be able to run on all Arduino boards, so each one of you that will compile it to its board, it should work easily without special things to do about it. And now about the design itself. I want the design to be a random pattern. When I'm talking about random pattern, is how the lights will flash, and we will talk about this in a few minutes. Also, I want it to be able to work in particular pattern. Okay, so I have the ability to choose between this option and this option. I will do it with a jumper or something, one wire, but again I did not write yet a single line of code, and I'm just talking about how it will be. Okay, number 3, I want the flashing to change in random way. So I mean by flashing is flashing time. Okay, so because I'm lighting a light, I can do that the light will be changed fast between the light, or it will be changed slow, or it will be at fixed time. Also, this is very important one, I want the number of strip lamp be set by the user, because if someone have just 3 strips, he will be able to work with this software, or someone that will have, I don't know, 8 strips also will be able to work with this software. The software will know, it will be set to the number of lights that the user is using. Also, we will use a relay, and now is a big disclaimer. If you're not familiar and does not know the risk of electric shock, don't touch it and don't try it. You must give to someone who is very familiar and knowing how to connect 110 or 220 volts to the relay. Okay, because if you don't know how to do it, you can kill yourself. Okay, so this is very important. Also, the visibility, instead of working in a high voltage that is very dangerous, you can use it with a 12 volts. Of course, you will need to buy a power supply of 12 volts and 12 volts lamps. Now about the lights. This is just an example for 4 lights. So because I think I will do it up to 8 strips. Okay, this is just an example. So every strip, all the lights in the same color or not in the same color as you wish, will be connected serial. So if you have in these strips 100 lights, all the 100 lights will be connected to one relay. Okay, so we have here a few colors, and every strip is connected to all the lamps in the strip. Now about the pattern. When I'm talking about the pattern, so the pattern can be for example this light, and then it is off, and then this light, and then it is off, this light, and then it is off, and it can be to this direction or to the other direction, or it can be that after this light it is not getting off, and then this is also lighting, so they are both together, and the third is with this also, and afterwards you have all the 4 strips working. So we can think about many patterns. I will not do a lot of patterns. Let's say I think about 10 pattern is a good number, because you can do as you like. For example, you can do that these 2 will light together, and then it will be these 2 will turn off and these 2 will turn on, or you can choose that this will be on with this one, and after they both will be off, this will be on with this one, and we can think of many patterns. Okay, so I will just use a number of pattern, but the pattern between themselves, as I said, can be changed randomly or in a particular way. Okay, so this can be set by the user also. Okay, again, I did not write even a single line about this project, but I will do it in the next few days, and we will talk about the code, and of course I will share my code as always in my site. Okay, thank you for now.